Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will show you the solution of why the OBS Studio turning into the black screen like mine like this. This is the black screen. Actually, I am recording for my Windows capture, so it becomes a dark screen black. And how to resolve this problem? It's very easy. You just go to your desktop and then find the graphics settings. It happened because commonly happen because your laptop or your computer is using the onboard VGA, which is mine is the Intel, and then Intel 950, I think. I forgot. Just click this display settings, okay, whatever your video card is, and then you scroll down until you can find the graphic settings on the bottom. And then here, actually the graphic performance preferences. So you just click the browse here, which is you want to search the OBS to allow screen recording and then so on. So you just open the C drive, and then this is for the default the program files. If you have any, if you didn't do any change on your first installation, the path would be the same like mine. So click the OBS Studio and then click the bin and then the 64-bit, and then this OBS X is the application OBS 64 mine. For you maybe OBS 32, I don't know. So just click add and then click the option here and then just choose the power saving mode. I don't know why this happened. Maybe because my computer is not not powerful enough. So when I use the high performance or let the Windows decide, the RAM or the capacity of my video graphic can compete with OBS Studio, because OBS Studio is very powerful software and application. So I just click save and then I return to my OBS and then I close it. I will reopen my OBS. It should be Voila, it's very good. Wow, it's very good screen recorder of OBS. Okay, that's it. I hope it's helpful for you. If is it, please subscribe our channel. And then if you have any question regarding any tutorial, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye.